Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 22 from the chapter of wave optics. The topic is the calculation of the fringe width in a Young's double slit experiment. So the question for this session is very simple, and this question is basically of the level of the board exam. Now here the question is, in a Young's double slit experiment, the distance between the two slits is equal to 0.1 mm and the wavelength of the light is 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. So if the fringe width on the screen is 4 mm, then what is the distance between the screen and the slit? We have 4 options and we have to find the correct option. So as we all know, the formula for the fringe width, that is beta, is equal to lambda capital D divided by small d. Here small d is the distance between the two slits and capital D is the distance between the screen and the slit, and here beta is the fringe width, and fringe width is the distance between the two consecutive bright or dark fringes. So by using this formula we can easily calculate the value of this capital D, which is the distance between the screen and the slit. So D is equal to beta into small d divided by lambda. Now beta is equal to 4 mm in this question. D is given to us, small d is the distance between the two slits, which is equal to 0.1 mm divided by lambda. Now lambda is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters. So if I convert this into mm, so this will be equal to into 10 to the power 3 mm. So from here, the distance between the screen and the slit will be equal to, this is equal to this 4 into 0.1 divided by 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 mm. Now this 4 and 4 will get cancelled out, so this is equal to 1 divided by 10 into 10 to the power 3, 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 mm. So this is equal to 1 upon 10 to the power minus 3 mm. So this is equal to 1000 mm, and this is equal to 1 meter. So here the correct option is A. So in the next session I will be continuing with the same topic of Young's double slit experiment, and I will be coming with a different type of a question, and the question will be entirely different from what we have done today. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.